Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends from where you're watching. I want to interview Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You're waiting for a day like this. I'd like you to stay put and listen to what you have to say about what happened, okay, between Zion Ministry and the Mountain of Fire Church. So, sir, I want to hear from the horse's mouth, okay? Is it true, sir, that Zion Ministry is mocking Mountain of Fire Church because of the land that Zion Ministry bought from them?
Is horrible, is satanic. How people can be twisting message just to have their negative point and followers and money on social media is satanic and demonic. In fact, it is barbaric that we are mocking a fellow brethren and brothers and sisters. How?
That's what I'm asking to hear from you. Sir, sorry to cut in. Were you the one that approached them or the other way around?
Because we are the one that approached them. Okay. We are the one that begged them. We approached them as the same family.
Oh, wow.
This one plot of land is like it's inside of our auditorium.
Really?
Please.
Oh.
How can we do it so that, because sometimes when we have some big programs, okay, they don't even see road to enter. And when we approach them, they say that this is not what they do. But for the sake of God, for the sake of Christ, that all of us are worshiping. They said for the sake of Christ that they will give it for we to continue to worship God there.
What do you have to say about the Reverend Dr. Olukoya, the General Overseer of Mountain of Fire? What do you have to say about him?
From now till Jesus comes, we must appreciate Mountain of Fire. Also appreciate the General Overseer, nice. Reverend Dr. Olukoya. One thing I love about the Reverend Dr. Olukoya, in fact, one of the gifts God has given him that I desire so much is high level of his simplicity and humility.
Okay, sir, according to what was trending on social media, what was going on social media, they said that you said that Zion Ministry is taking over. So what do you have to say about that, sir?
I was preaching about praying towards the topic of that day. We don't even know that day will be the day they will say, okay, finally take the... do you know, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
This book, we have been using it for over 1 month before that Sunday. And that was the prayers I was raising that day. But we give God all the glory.
There is this video trending where people were jubilating as they pull down the walls of the church, Mountain of Fire Church. What do you have to say about that?
Online filled up that we are mocking the church. Our people were even helping them to remove some of the things, the rods. But that time, praises and worship was going on. Everybody was dancing. The whole thing we are hearing is that we are mocking. This is a pity, and those people will never go unpunished.
Finally, what would you say to Mountain of Fire Church and people that misunderstood you?
If it's not because of sake of Christ, they won't do that. So we appreciate them today, tomorrow, and we appreciate all the members of Mountain of Fire and their GO. Members of Mountain of Fire said we are second. If everything that happened that day was misunderstood by anybody, we also said we are sorry.
All right. Thank you, sir. God bless you.